The time is 9:55 a.m. August 28, 2021 is Saturday. Good morning. The news headline: Cost of breakup expensive. Obasanjo tells Igboho IPOB. The former president of Nigeria, Olusegun Obasanjo, on Friday has expressed that Nigerians will remain united despite calls for the balkanization of the country from various quarters. According to the elder statesman, Nigeria is indissoluble, adding that the cost for Nigeria not to continue to exist is expensive. Obasanjo stated this while speaking during the book launch and 85th birthday of Eminence Prelate Sunday Mbang of the Methodist Church Nigeria, which was held at the Admiralty Center, Naval Dockyard, Victoria Island, Lagos State. The former president's statement is coming at a time secessionist agitations have dominated public discourse in the country. Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, and the embattled Adeyemo aka Sunday Igboho have both championed the call for the secession of the southeast and the southwest respectively. Obasanjo, who reacted to developments, described the secessionists as enemies of the country. The former president, however, assured the well-wishers of the country that the enemies of the country will not succeed, adding that Nigeria will remain united and that he is committed to this cause. In his words, we are honored that to have somebody and learn from him, that is Mbang, who was the eminence prelate who was celebrating his birthday and also launching his book. He said for him to have showed genuine love, and he appreciated him for the service he has rendered to the Christian community in the country and even the world all over, and to assure him that whatever happens, we will continue to work for unity and peace, security and progress of the country. I know that these are things that are dear to his heart. We want to assure you that Nigerians will continue to exist because the cost for Nigeria not to continue to exist is much more than the cost for us to make Nigeria to continue to exist. Obasanjo said there are many people, high and low, who can be described as enemies of Nigeria, but they will not win over those who are friends of Nigeria. The time is 9:58 a.m. The analysis. Just lately, the former president of Nigeria and an elder statesman, former President Olusegun Obasanjo, actually went to a book launch and the 85th birthday of Eminence Prelate Sunday Mbang of the Methodist Church in Nigeria. And this event was held at the Admiralty Center, Naval Dockyard, Victoria Island, Lagos State. And in his statement, he actually proscribed the IPOB and the Oduduwa Republic being ably led by Nnamdi Kanu and Sunday Igboho respectively, that the call for this secession is not needed, and he tagged them as enemies of the country. The former president Olusegun Obasanjo actually assured the well-wishers of the country that the enemies of which he tagged the secessionists as will not succeed, adding that he is committed to a united Nigeria. He assured Mbang and other Nigerians who are even Christian communities that he is after the unity, peace, security and progress of this country, and that only the friends of Nigeria will win in this race. And of course, this is not the first time that Olusegun Obasanjo would express his feelings about those agitating for a breakup in Nigeria as almost idiotic. Sometimes ago in 2021, around June, former President Olusegun Obasanjo said that it would be almost idiotic to agitate Nigeria's breakup. He said for the nation to disintegrate at this period, that Africa is talking about reintegration for economic development. He insisted that it was better for Nigerians to remain together. The statesman spoke at the luncheon of investiture of Kehinde Isijola as new chairman of Nigerian Institution of Surveyors (NIS) Ogun State chapter in Abeokuta. Admitting that the prevailing situation in the country was frustrating, Obasanjo submitted that the country's balkanization was not a solution either. He therefore called on the agitators to shelve their ideas and their opinions and to work towards the unity of the country. The Owu chief expressed that he hoped that Nigeria would come out stronger from current challenges if the citizenry can actually shelve their personal interest and work for the unity of the country. He said if there is any Nigerian who does not feel apprehensive over the situation of the country, the person is a human being without being human. Obasanjo said that he is a strong believer of one Nigeria, but not one Nigeria at any cost, but one Nigeria where every Nigerian can feel proud that he or she has a stake in the country. President Olusegun Obasanjo says that no Nigerian is born a slave in this country, and no Nigerian is born to be oppressed in this country. And those of us that have shed parts of our blood and sweat for this country, we did that because we wanted a country where every Nigerian can claim as his or her own. The ex-president continued as then, and he said that I believe that if we talk among ourselves the way we should, and if we change the narrative, I believe this is a great country, that we are not making Nigeria what God wants it to be is not the fault of God, but the fault of ourselves, particularly our leaders, President Olusegun Obasanjo reiterated. He also said that one thing that gives us strength is our diversity, that if all that we have is the Republic of Oduduwa, for those who said so, their position is understandable. And if that is all we have, members of that country will be diminished compared to being a citizen of Nigeria. President Olusegun Obasanjo commended the eminent prelate and said that he knows that his dream and vision and what he's actually after is that the nation, Nigeria, does not experience any breakup. And he reassures the eminent prelate that this is going to stand, as all those who are finding or looking forward to a secession, a breakup of the country, Nigeria, are enemies of the country, which by no way will they prevail and overcome the wishes of the friends of the country who does not believe in a breakup of the country. The time is 10:08 a.m. Good morning.